how Bitcoin works. Unlike credit or network, Visa like in payment process like PayPal, Bitcoin is not owned by an individual or company. Bitcoin is world first completely open payment network which anyone with an internet connection can participate in. Bitcoin was designed to be used on an Bitcoin is world first completely open payment network with anyone with an internet connection. Payment network which anyone with an internet connection can participate in. Bitcoin was designed to be used on the internet and does not depend on bank or private companies. Bitcoin is the first completely payment network which anyone with the internet connection participated in. One of the most important element of Bitcoin is the blockchain which track who own what, similar to how a bank tracks assets. What sets the Bitcoin blockchain apart from bank ledger is that it decentralized with which track who own what, similar to how the bank track assets. One of the most important elements of Bitcoin is the blockchain, which track who own the what, similar to how the bank track assets. One of the most important elements of Bitcoin is blockchain, which tracks who own what, similar to how bank track assets. What sets the Bitcoin blockchain apart from banks' ledger is that is decentralized, meanings how Bitcoin works. Unlike credit card networks like Visa and payment process like PayPal, between is not owned by individual. Bitcoin was designed to use internet connection can participate in. Bitcoin was designed to be used on the internet and does not depend on bank or private companies to process transactions. One of the most important elements of Bitcoin is blockchain, which tracks who own what, similar to how bank track assets. Bitcoin was designed to be used exist on the internet and does not depend on bank or private companies to process transactions. One of the most important elements of Bitcoin is blockchain, which track who own but similar to how bank tracks assets. What is Bitcoin, which track who own but similar how to bank track assets? What assets is Bitcoin blockchain apart from bank ledger is that it decentralized, meaning anyone can view that no single entity control it is. Payment network which anyone with an internet connection can participate in. Bitcoin was designed to be used on internet and does not depend on banks or private companies. How Bitcoin works. One of the most element of Bitcoin is blockchain, which tracks who own that, what similar how to bank track assets. Specialized in computing known as mining rights perform as equity rights to verify record new transactions. What sets Bitcoin blockchain apart from a bank's ledger is that it is decentralized, meaning anyone can view it and no single entity control it. Bitcoin is world first completely open payment network which anyone with an internet connection can participate in. Bitcoin was designed to be used on internet and doesn't depend on bank or private companies.